Welcome back. Part 3 of our review. Newton's third law. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. How do I write that? Action, reaction. Give me some examples. I push the cart in the supermarket. You'll never push a cart down a supermarket without thinking of me ever again. Really weird. So I'm pushing the cart. Are you accelerating, Mickey?
Yeah.
You are? You're accelerating a cart down an aisle?
No.
No. You're pushing a cart just to overcome friction, right? So is it an unbalanced force or is it a balanced force?
Unbalanced.
No.
Balanced?
Yeah, right? So in other words, very good, Mickey. If I apply a force to the cart that's unbalanced or balanced. If it's unbalanced, I'm going to accelerate. Remember? Up here?
Yeah.
But what balances that force? It's called, starts with an F. It's the F word.
Force?
No?
Friction.
Friction, yes! So I push the cart and the friction pushes back. Right? So I could say the push-pull force, right, is equal to the friction. Correct?
Yeah.
Easy? Okay? They're equal and opposite. They are going to
Negative.
be equal and opposite, right? Because I know that for that to be balanced, you have to say that's positive, that's your pushing force, right?
Yep.
That's negative, that's your friction. They're going to add to 0. So there's going to be a sign change there, right? I push on this whiteboard. I push on the whiteboard. You can tell how old I am by saying blackboard. I push on the whiteboard with 10 pounds. The whiteboard pushes back 10 pounds. Right? Well, we could say, I push positive 10, it pushes negative 10. That's just direction. But we know as well as anyone that the signs are opposite. That's how you get a 0, but they're the same magnitude. I push 10, it pushes back 10. Equal and opposite. Action, reaction. I walk on the floor. Mr. Darcy presses down on the floor. I push against the floor when I walk. The floor pushes up on me. Action, reaction. Okay? I slap the board. What's the reaction?
The board hits your hand.
The board hits my hand. I slap the board. The board
Slaps your hand.
slaps my hand. Action, reaction. Now, this is part 3. We're going to come back and do another part. We'll call it part 4, and I'll do an actual demonstration on action, reaction. Okay?